Hey guys, it's Bethany. Happy New Year. First of all, I want to wish everyone a very blessed and happy 2021. Hey, it can't be much worse. So, bar set pretty low. Okay. Anyway, so far it's been great for me. I've been feeling very motivated and getting a lot done. And I finally figured out how to foil directly on my printable kits. I haven't been able to line up my laser printer with my color printer. I kind of started to figure it out, and here it is. I did it, and I did it on glossy paper. Two things I never use. Anyway, if you would like a tutorial from dummies for printing and cutting, maybe I can do something like that. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in learning how to foil directly on your printable sticker kits. So I have my chai tea. Cheers. Yum yum. Set that aside. I am going to be using for the first time a coil bound planner. Now, I started with a bullet journal. Then I had an A5 ring, and then I had a B6 traveler's notebook, which I realized I'm a ring person. So I got a personal size ring. I like the rings. Now this coil system, I kind of like. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I did a monthly kit. Now this was, to be fair, this was a hodgepodge of a Scribble Prints Co. kit from several years ago. And I just kind of franken did it. So we're gonna do January. I did February just because I couldn't wait. I had to do a spread, and I also did one spread in March at daily, because I just wanted to see, because I've never used a kit like this. I mean, a planner like this before. I just wanted to see how it was working out. Anyway, okay, so we are going to be doing January 1st, no, December, what is this? December 28th through January 2nd. We're going to be memory planning through, no, January 3rd. Today's the 2nd. So close enough. Let's memory plan to this. Okay, so this is the printable kit that I did on glossy paper, and I'm just so proud of myself. It's by planningchoco is the digital kit, and these are the full boxes. It's on glossy paper, and I foiled it in silver. I ran out of hollow, which I could kick myself. Here's your bottom washi, your date dots, and your headers, I guess. Here's your glitter headers. This is not foiled, but still look so pretty. This is all foiled. You have your flag, some scripts, your sidebar boxes, your little icons, these little tiny boxes, your weekend banner. Here are your heart checklists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some more, bow checklists and bow headers. Then today to do little things and your little icons down here. Okay, so let's just get started. This is way too long of an intro. I'm sorry. I'm super excited to use this kit. I'm super proud of myself for being able to actually pull it off, because I haven't really been able to do it. These I don't need because there's not a ring binder. I might pull in a few of these little things. I'm going to pull in a lot of stuff. So let's just speed it up. Okay. And we're going to lay down these stickers, and we'll see you for the day by day. Thanks, guys. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Please, it would be so nice if you could hit the subscribe button, if you could like or comment. Also, comment, let me know. I'm thinking about any of my leftovers. I have lots of leftover sticker kits that I'd love to send out as a giveaway. Just a huge box of stickers. So if anyone's interested in that, comment down below and let me know, okay? Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. This is a setup. If you have any questions as far as where the stickers came from, they pretty much all came from the kit, except for this was also an add-on, but also by Planning with Choco. And this was Plannerology Studios. The rest all came from Planning Choco and or the kit, also from Planning Choco. So here we go. Here's my fresh new spread in January. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye guys.